Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work with text in Premiere Pro. So the text button is located right here. So I'm going to click on that and then simply click anywhere on the video and start typing. Now the next thing you want to do is go to the window menu on top over there and select Essential Graphics. Now I'm going to select the Edit tab here with my text selected, so we can apply some changes to the way the text looks and appears in our video. So here you can rescale or change the size of text and move it around on the screen or readjust its position. You can also change the color of the text from those same controls at the bottom over there, and you can rotate the text around its anchor point. You also have opacity controls here that allows you to fade the text in and out. Now, next I'm going to show you an example of how you can zoom the text in on the timeline. Now here I positioned the text in the center of the screen, and I'm going to use the controls in the upper left corner under the Effect Controls tab or Effect Controls panel. You can open Effect Controls by hitting Shift 5. Now click on the stopwatch next to the scale value. This will automatically insert the keyframe at the current position on timeline. Now scroll the timeline to the place where you want the effect to stop and change the scale again. Here I change it to 200. I'm going to go back on the timeline and play the video. As you can see, we have just zoomed in on text. Now if you don't want to do all these effects by hand, go to Window and choose Essential Graphics. You'll see this text effects browser, and you can drag and drop all kinds of different text effects that were already pre-created by Premiere Pro. Here's another one you can drag and drop onto your timeline, and if you play that, it's going to look something like that. So basically here you can create title sequences, opening credits, closing credits, dialogue and subtitles, all kinds of scaling and resizing effects, as well as fade in and fade out, and basically any text overlay on top of your video.